doing today?
Doing good. How are you?
Thomas?
Yep.
St. Paul?
Yep.
Snacks?
Yep.
Well, you need them when you're sitting in line.
Yeah. Are they always close the car this early or what? The car lane?
Usually closed tonight.
Oh, okay.
And if other things are going on,
Oh, yeah. All right. Thank you. What a nice guy. That was pretty awesome. Woo! Rock and roll. There we go. We made it to the post office in the USA. I'm picking up a package for my cousin. And then we're gonna cross the border. We got 3 minutes to the border. Then we're gonna cross into Canada. And then we have another trip waiting. Head right back out to Wisconsin. That should be fun. Guys, when I'm sitting like this lately, I've been having a lot of back pain. And I don't know why or what happened. Like, however I'm sitting or stretching, nothing seems to help. It just hurts. My back hurts like crazy. Alright. Steinbach, Manitoba.
How long have you been away?
Since yesterday.
Where'd you go to?
I went to St. Paul and then to Cottage Grove, Minnesota.
What are you home getting for you?
I have picked up one package. It's a book for my cousin. It's $12.23 US.
Alcohol or cigarettes?
No.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Thanks. Alright. To Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin.
Oh. Anything to declare in there?
Nope.
Here?
Thank you. There we go. Why can other drivers not go as fast as me, huh? I was wondering. I guess some people don't have the fast part. I'm trying to squeeze out every minute I can. We can do it. Make it to our delivery and then make it to the pickup. That would be nice. Let's go. We got 4 hours Made it to a truck stop. We drove today another just over 1,000 kilometers. Let me check actually. So yesterday and today together we drove 2,088 kilometers. So that's pretty much 11 hours full today, 11 hours full yesterday. Because yesterday we had a little bit of traffic. So now I'm at my truck stop. I'm gonna go have a shower. And right now it's only 6:30. So that means I already am stopped for a bit, so I can start tomorrow at like 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna get up early, then I have like 5.5 hours to get to my unloading, and then from there I have like almost 5 hours to my reload. And the guy said if I come at 4:30 he's gonna load me still, so I'm gonna try to make it. It's gonna get tight. We're gonna have to go close to Chicago, so hopefully not too much traffic. Then get loaded, then I'm gonna go back home because we have a day planned at the lake on Saturday. So today's Thursday, no, today's Wednesday, tomorrow's Thursday if I get loaded, and then I'm gonna hopefully be home early Saturday morning. So that's the plan. So yeah, let's go get a shower and then go to bed.